Those who are sowing the seeds of hatred and doubt and anger in their family, thinking that you only reap what you sow, let me tell you that it's not always that straightforward. Life doesn't always give us a one-to-one return on our deeds. No, it's often far more profound than that. Sometimes you don't just reap what you sow, you reap 10 times greater than what you have sown. Imagine this. When you plant a seed, you don't get just one fruit. You get a bountiful harvest, sometimes 100-fold more than what you have initially planted. However, the same principle applies to negativity. When you plant the seeds of hatred or discord within your own family, the consequences can be devastating. You may end up paying 1,000-fold for the negativity you have sown. So, I implore you all to be incredibly mindful of the seeds you are planting in your lives, especially within your families. Avoid sowing the seeds of negativity, anger, or hatred. Instead, nurture love, compassion, and understanding with your own homes. And remember, there is something greater than us all, something watching and keeping account of our actions. Allah. Fear Allah and realize that your actions will have consequences. Whether today or tomorrow, when the time comes, no one will be able to save you from the harvest you have sown. Let us strive to sow seeds of goodness, kindness, and love in our lives, so that we may reap a bountiful harvest of joy and blessings.